Hi, good day. How are you going today?
Nurses.
Good. By the way, I'm June from AUBC Consulting. Uh,
Pag
Sorry to bother you. Can you call you in an unexpected time? Came across from the project 10 to 14 Low Street, Townhouse.
Right? Ah, hindi ko na full next. Hindi na natin matapos. Ang is lang. Pag may kausap.
Okay, sure. Wait a minute. Can you repeat it again? Sorry, sir. Info. Yes. That. I can repeat it again now, if you're okay. info@matserve.com. Is that right? Okay.
Mag-send na lang.
Bago yan. Bago na sinabi mo siya. Paano? Post mo.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you for the info, ma'am. Okay, have a nice day. Bye-bye.
Tanong ko sila about sa consultant.
Anong tanong mo?
Parang sino daw?
Iba yun. Ayun na eh.
Sino yung